Every Monday, we welcome our cohorts from the VA hospital here in the Bronx. When the veterans come in here, they're able to experience hands-on engagement with plants, with this natural environment here at the Edible Academy.
We are looking at individual activities, group activities that are helping to reduce anxiety, depression, and encourage friendship and relationship building.
We have a very diverse group of veterans that participate in this program from all ages, all areas of deployments. There is a shared camaraderie that continues on for years after this program.
All my patients that I've seen who are willing to engage and go through the program, they have now an opportunity to engage with nature, engage with mindfulness, and engage with themselves. And I think that's a powerful technique and skill that allows for a deeper conversation and engagement in their overall health.
We have looked at key risk factors associated with suicide, as well as stress, depression, social isolation, and loneliness. And in these contexts, looking at these specific domains, we have seen really significant improvement as part of our veterans engaging in horticultural therapy.
It started with connecting with the plants. I feel myself open up, and then I really look forward to seeing different people growing together, wanting to go through experiences together.
Right now, where I'm at, I'm really strong because of this program. And I have to say this program because this is the one that showed me how wrapped up I was.
You are not just that one thing that you feel that you were when you left the military. There's so many different ways to express yourself and to grow. And I think that the Thrive program is a wonderful opportunity to do that with other veterans.
To connect with people, nature, there's nothing better than that. Even though we all have problems, this helps us to forget about those and then to rethink it and recenter ourselves.
The best thing in life is having something to look forward to. And I look forward to coming to the center every week. My life has changed. I can feel the connection with the spirit of the plants.